Today, we're diving deep into a review of Daljee Guesthouse, located in Jongno-Gu. Let's find out if you should stay there. To book this hotel at the best prices, check out the links in the description below. So, what makes this hotel special? This hotel offers a convenient location near popular attractions like Jogisa Temple and Changdeokgung Palace, making it an ideal choice for exploring Seoul. Guests can enjoy comfortable accommodations with free Wi-Fi and a shared kitchen, ensuring a pleasant and homey stay. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Bosingak Pavilion, 6-minute walk. Berlin Square, 6-minute walk. Cheonggyecheon, 6-minute walk. And also close to attractions like Savina Museum, 7-minute walk. Changdeokgung Palace, 7-minute walk. Changdeokgung Palace, 13-minute walk. Let's see what other travelers had to say about this hotel. Staying at Daljee Guesthouse was an absolute delight. The convenient location near various attractions and public transportation made exploring Seoul a breeze. The friendly staff and clean rooms with great Wi-Fi truly made my stay memorable. I had an amazing stay at Daljee Guesthouse in Seoul. The room was spotless, the host was incredibly friendly, and the location was unbeatable. Just a 2-minute walk to the subway station and surrounded by great attractions like Wangaksa Pagoda and Tapgal Park. Plus, the Wi-Fi was super fast, making it a perfect choice for both leisure and business travelers. I had an amazing stay at Daljee Guesthouse in Seoul. The location was perfect, just a 2-minute walk to the subway station and close to many attractions. The room was clean, the staff was friendly, and the Wi-Fi speed was great, making it a fantastic choice for my trip. Let's see our ratings for this hotel based on the traveler type. For families, 7 out of 10. For couples, 7 out of 10. For friend groups, 10 out of 10. For solo travel, 10 out of 10. Next, let's see our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 10 out of 10. Cleanliness, 7 out of 10. Service, 8 out of 10. Value for money, 10 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you. For the best prices, remember to check out the links in the description below. Have a nice trip.